Well, hello there, folks. This is Papa G, Post Gardening CEO, who brings you a variety of videos. And today, we're doing compost gardening, guys. Compost gardening, guys. What is this? Papa G's doing here. What is he up to? What is he up to now, Mabel? Anyway, what are you doing? What are you doing out there? Anyway, before you find out, before you know, Papa G better do the intro. When I was a schoolboy coming home from school, I thought I saw bull raining around the hills and mountains. Steady hoop, steady hollering around the merry streets. With a rang-tang-tang and a ting-ting-ting and a through the way, a bow-wow-wow and a moo-moo-moo and a heap of people that I do know. And through the way we'd run play ball, and through the way we would run. All right, guys. This is, in case you're asking, this is, I'm sure some of you can figure it out already. And plus, I've mentioned it a couple of times, that I was going to make a homemade trellis. Papa G is just putting some things to work that's been just lying around in the yard, guys. Couple of pallets, guys, and that's the okra. I mean, not okra, but the cucumbers. Cucumbers are coming up on the. I'm going to let them grow up on the pallets, guys. And so instead of having to get them off the ground, we're going to be able to get them out of the air, hopefully. Yes, indeed, guys. Putting some pallets to work in the yard that's been sitting in the yard. But as you can see, the okra is jumping, guys. It's growing. And we're going to let them grow up on the pallets. As you can see, I got them configured into a bit of a triangle there. And hopefully they're going to stay. And the wind won't blow them anywhere. Yeah, and the tomato plants are jumping, guys. They're jumping as well. Yes, indeed. They're growing and they're getting blooms on them, guys. They're blooming. Bloomdale, Mississippi. But anyway, guys, I got them started going up the trellis. That one over there is going to have to do some more growing before it'll be able to reach them. But I'm sure it'll get there. And these over here are growing on up. And it won't be long before they'll be wrapping around and growing on up the trellis, guys. Growing out of, as if they were growing out of town anyway, growing to town. Growing down to the ground. Not growing to the ground, but growing up in the air. So they can meet Papa G up here. Yes, indeed, guys. But things are shaping up very well. Very, very well, guys. Anyway, I just thought about turning the camera on. As you can see, I'd already gotten them set up, and I didn't even get my camera stand. I just thought about, I was setting them up and thought about turning the camera on, guys, so you guys can see what Papa G is up to today. Anyway, guys, I just wanted to turn it on for a little while. Don't you know? I might as well go ahead and do the outro. It's past 5 minutes now. When I was a schoolboy coming home from school, I thought I saw bull riding around the hills and mountains. Steady hoop, steady hollering around the merry streets. With a ring ting ting and a ting 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 and a through the way a bow wow wow and a moo 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 and a heap of people that I do know. And through the way we'd run play ball, and through the way we would run. These are the watermelon plants, guys. They're getting bigger. I got 3 left. Yeah. Popo G like watermelons, guys. Love watermelons. You guys, if you know, let me know why these spots on this one over here. It's away from the other one, so hopefully whatever it's got, it might have had or whatever, it won't interfere with these over here. Anyway, hopefully it transforms and becomes what it needs to become. Watermelons for Papa G and Granny D, because we love watermelons. Papa G like to eat, guys. Look how those roots just come out of there, guys. For you new viewers who hadn't been here, look how easy those roots just come out of this compost garden. This is compost gardening, guys. This is the famous compost garden of Papa G, who is the CEO of compost gardening, don't you know? Anyway, I'm glad you guys joined me. They already done the outro. Thank you for coming. Thank you for viewing. Thank you for watching. Thank you for helping Papa G pursue his dream of growing food at home without any weeds, without as many weeds. Anyway, thank you guys for coming.